As we say make we rest today, una dey say no, una no go rest o. Come see the one wey dey happen now for Orsu. As Hope Uzodinma and other joint funds dey recruit another security make dey go first Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing o dey happen for inside the area for this last one now. My wonderful people, we go play you the video. May you watch more and know how e dey go for the area. As we dey talk right now, they say that these security people don go dey remove all the whole ogbunigwe wey they don put for the ground take protect their road o. They say the whole ogbunigwe wey dey for area now na so they dey comot am one after the other. My people, no forget say still dey for Pump Info News. As you dey lis ten o, make sure say you dey share so that other people go dey get the information. We go play the video, make you watch. Now as you dey watch this video, abeg drop your own opinion immediately and share it so that people go still know how e take dey go, because we dey here dey bring you updates gidigbam, no going back o. Make you dey watch o and dey share. No be small thing o wey dey happen for inside this Orsu right now as we dey talk. Just watch the video and see them.
Onye man of my ebe anyị nọ ọ na azụbe mpụta maka anyị nọ. No go front much, no go front much, no go front much. Na azụbe mpụta maka anyị nọ. Ọ na afia very well. Biafra ga-egbu nne ha, gbuo nna ha, gbuo the entire generation. Ihe ha na-amara ka o si wee bido. Ihe na-amara ka o si bido ka ga-esi maka o si akwụsị. We have come to return peace back in Orsu Itokwa. Whether the bandits they like it or not, there must be peace in Orsu Itokwa. Orsu ya dịka obodo ndị ọzọ nke ya dị iche. Ọ na-azụ na be mpụta maka anyị nọ. N'ụda, ndị amị nọ na front and other soldiers. Our security agencies, they are in the front. Orsu Itokwa security are in the front. Who say man no dey? Man dey woto. Yes! Bende! This is Orsu security. This is Orsu security. Who say man no dey? This is Orsu security, yeah. Bende woto. Bende! We have conquered Orsu Itokwa. Who say man no dey? Bende! This is Orsu security. This is Orsu security. Life in Orsu Itokwa. Bende! Woto. Bende! Who say man no dey? Bed. No. Well, I fear. Yeah, Obunigwe di ya. Na Obunigwe be this. No Obunigwe be this. Now they see am. Some of them still there for front. Oh, some of the Obunigwe still there for front. We conquered it. This is the security of Orsu Itokwa. Bende! This is Orsu security. Who say man no dey?
Mende. Wetin happen? Nothing.
Kun fro Obunigwe abọpụtara na kịta. Iya Obunigwe dị ya. Ihe a n'ihu be boya dị ya. N'ihu be opio ha. Ebe a ga-esi bupụta Obunigwe kịta. Ụzọ sejebe 1010 dị ya. Ụzọ sejebe 1010. Nke a gbara bebe ayaka. Onu furu Obunigwe, o furu nnukwu Obunigwe ebubutere. Ọ kwa ọzọ dị n'ihu, about 3 or 4 ka ebubutekwa n'ihu mgbago side be ayaka ahụ. Kun furu Obunigwe. Ka ahụta mụnta nke otirie. Ọ na-afịa. Ya ndị ọ na-afụ na bụ Obunigwe. All security Orsu Itokwa recover ya with the help of ndị amị kwa. Obunigwe dị si ya anụwa. Ebe discover ya bụ from Ihube Kasmia. Kasmia na feed na ụtụtụ from Ihube ya wee ruo be mpụta ọma ka elisiri all this Obunigwe unu na-afụ si ma battery ya. Unu na-afụ si ma the battery eji connect the Obunigwe. Unu fụsị ka the Obunigwe ha. Obunigwe ndị a bụ nweta mmụta nke otirisie ya. All security Orsu Itokwa recover ya. They say Heba, they say the security men here. All the security is here. It's a joint It's a joint.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you have watched that video, we know nobody dey against say may the communities, may our land dey in peace. But the question why I dey ask, why I never see this kind strength, joint strength before? Say una gather go dey fight the Fulani herdsmen wey dey kpai our people for inside bush. There's some bushes in Imo State where even the government know that the Funanis are in this bush, and they come outside, they carry people, they collect ransom. The many people where they don't carry, don't come outside, come talk am, koro say these people will carry also now Funani people, and yet our people have not organized security to go and catch those Funanis. That is the side of the talk I'm talking. I wish we have seen videos of where you people they gather together, go they fight the Funanis where they inside our bush. I go they happy. Then every time when you come online, you go see say security is fighting Biafra fighting security. But I'm not seeing our people boldly come outside to go and fight the Funanis in our bush. Who do us like this? However, as Emma bring and come show now, let us also watch this video claiming that Simon Ekwa was in that ground that day, according to this interview we then do. Listen before we come back and continue.
And it was about 10 years ago because,
Wow.
Because it's meant for people under 35, and me and Simon, we are both older, so that's why we are not in that group anymore. But I saw him last time earlier on this autumn.
Are you getting the message? I saw him last night. This happened on the 3rd of December 2024. When Raphael was interviewing this man, the man was telling Raphael, I saw Simon Ekpa right here in this autumn, last night. But he did not take notice of that. Now, I want you to ask yourself, who is getting information from Prime Minister? What you don't know is bigger than you. What you don't know is bigger than you.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. Oh, as you don't watch that video, I hope say you don't share them so that all your friends, everybody go get the information and know how it they go. My wonderful people, I'll also say this thing the last one again. Make una try you enter inside bush as soon as that this morale they go on now. Find all those Funanis where they our bush. Go for Enugu side, go for Boni State and the other states where the Imo State where they full for inside bush. Make una find them, comot them for our bush so that all this whole thing go end. Though I beg more na try do so. Not be only to go they find people where they do Obunigwe, people where put Obunigwe. Go more na go find Funanis as well. We go like and we go appreciate and we go support ona. My people, it already they say when they do work where your master send you anything where they talk and how you go do for the work now. Waiting they happen for this video. Make una share am.